All right, we are going to write this equation. Okay, this is some point slope form. The equation y minus 1 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 5 into standard form. Let's get that focused. Okay, so the first step is to distribute the slope. So our equation is this. I just copied it down. Now I distribute my slope. So I still have y minus 1 equals, I do negative 2/3 times x, which is negative 2/3 x. I do negative 2/3 times negative 5, which would be a positive 10 over 3. And I can show that right here. Negative 2/3 times negative 5 over 1. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. 3 times 1 is 3. So positive 10/3. Next step, solve for y. So to solve for y, I need to get rid of this minus 1 by adding 1 to both sides. That cancels. I get y equals negative 2/3 x. And I'm doing 10/3 plus 1. So it's 10/3 plus 3/3, which is 13/3. Right? And I'm going to bring this down here. So now I have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 13 over 3. And now the last part is to move x to the other side. So what I'm going to do to move x to the other side is I'm going to add the 2/3 x to both sides. That will cancel there. I'm left with 13/3 equals, let's see what we have over here. We have 2/3 x plus y. Right? Now we need to stop here. Standard form, okay? Standard form is ax plus by equals c. A, b, and c, we didn't really talk about this, but they should not be fractions. So I don't want fractions here, okay? So what I'm going to do, okay, and we'll add in a step 4 here. Get rid of fractions. And to get rid of the fractions, what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by my denominator here, because I have the same denominator. So if I multiply 13/3 by 3, these will cancel and I'll be left with 13. If I multiply y by 3, I just have plus 3y. And if I multiply 2/3 by 3, the 3's will cancel here, and I'm left with 2x. Now I have whole numbers, and that is my equation in standard form.